Hello everyone, and welcome back to this video tutorial series on the Medicines Patent Pool Patents and License Database MedsPaL. I'm Zongyuan, and in this tutorial, we will explore license information and new licenses tab in MedsPaL. So now let's start with a search on dolutegravir 50 mg in Algeria. You will see 3 licenses listed under the section Licenses and Other Agreements. By clicking on the name of a license will open us the license card. We can take this one as example. Now we have the license card in front of us, which provides us more detailed information such as the type of the license, who is the licensor, who are the licensees, external notes, and the country's part of the license territory. You can click See More to have the whole list. Click See Less to minimize it. And if you click on the name again, you have access to the external information. As this is an MPP license on dolutegravir, you will be taken to the corresponding page on MPP website for more information. Now let's go back to our license card. At the bottom right, you will see there are 2 buttons. You can use the share to share the link to your card and use print to print it. Close it. And now I will present you our new licenses tab. By clicking this bottom licenses tab, no need to make any change to your search. You will be able to see the license information in a table format where each line corresponding to a license. In addition to the information already included in the license card, all the products associated to the same license will be listed under the column called the product name. Furthermore, you can also make a new search in Licenses tab and then be able to see the result. Let's do an example here together. You can take Indonesia in the jurisdiction. As you can see here, there are 48 total results, which means there are 48 licenses containing Indonesia as the license territory in the jurisdiction section. And now if you click switch back to patent tab again, the same search applies, and then you will have all the patent information in Indonesia, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. With these tools, MedsPaL makes it easier than ever to access detailed patent and license data. Try it out and explore more in our next tutorial.